Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all get on your running shoes because these deals at Walgreens just keep getting better and better. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all a deal that I did where it worked out to be 11 cents per item. You guys are not going to believe this. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and make sure that you turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now also, just a quick friendly reminder, I have already uploaded a bunch of other videos for you all this week, so if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And especially if you are shopping at Walgreens this week, make sure that you check out my previous videos, because all those deals are still good for the entire week. The only difference is that we have different boosters that will go along with different deals for each day. So make sure that you guys go and check those out, because we will be doing some repeat deals as the week goes along. Now, in yesterday's video, which was on Monday, that was day 2 of our My W Days week. Now, in that video, I shared with you guys a lot of really awesome sales that are going on. We have a lot of really good grocery deals this week at Walgreens. So yesterday, with those digital boosters that were stacking, we were getting a total of 75% of our money back in Walgreens cash, which was amazing. I think I ended up putting in 3 or 4 pickup orders, and then I also went in store and did some more deals. So I really racked up on some grocery deals yesterday, and I'm super excited about it. However, this deal just got even better. I'm not sure what's going on, but Walgreens has extended that booster and it is still working today. So I'm going to tell you guys all the details, but first I do want to mention something that I have been seeing in comment sections on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, you name it. And I don't know why, but it seems to be amped up a little bit this week. And people are basically putting down other couponers for spending a lot out of pocket at Walgreens. Now, for me personally, I just view this as a little bit petty and childish. I don't think that anybody else has the right to be putting down another person for how they spend their money. It is their money. They worked for it. If they want to spend $40 out of pocket and then get $40 in Walgreens cash back, then that is up to them. But what we're not going to do, at least in my comment section, we are not going to be putting down other couponers for spending however much they want out of pocket. Just because they don't have a low out of pocket deal does not mean that that is not a good deal for them and their households. So just so that you guys know, I don't think that we're going to have any problems in my comment section, because you guys are awesome, you're understanding, and overall nice and helpful. I hardly ever have any issues where I have to delete comments or anything like that. But just a heads up, if I see anything rude or like somebody is putting down another couponer for their deal, I'm just going to delete your comment, and that's going to be that. Because the fact of the matter is, we don't know what the other person's situation is. For example, myself this week, yes, I could have went into Walgreens yesterday and lowered my out-of-pocket with register rewards, like I told you all in the video. However, the one Walgreens that I have available to me, unless I want to drive an hour away, their Catalina machine has been down all week long, so I don't have any register rewards to spend. So I'm having to pay out of pocket, but I'm getting most of it back in Walgreens cash. And for me, especially for this week, I am completely fine with this, because I'm getting items that I am eventually going to have to pay out of pocket for anyway, whether I pick it up at Walmart or Dollar General or Family Dollar. The only difference is this week I'm shopping Walgreens because they are giving me almost really close to 100% of my money back in Walgreens cash. Plus, you add on rebates, fetch rewards, things like that, and everything's basically turning out to be free. So I'm completely fine with that, but I just wanted to share that with you all. One of the main reasons why I felt like I needed to say something is because I did receive an email from a new couponer. She's new to couponing at Walgreens. She had shared her deal and she told them how much she paid out of pocket, and she pretty much got bullied for it. And they were actually putting her down for spending her own money. And I don't think that that is cool at all. Like I said, we don't know what the other people are dealing with, what their situation is. So let's not be so quick to judge, all right? And like I said, I think you guys are golden. Usually my comment sections are amazing, but you know, just a little food for thought there. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about today's deal. So today is day 2. It is Tuesday, July the 25th, and we have 3 digital boosters that are working together. First up, we have our everyday booster where we're getting 25% in Walgreens cash rewards on all purchases. Next up, we have this Tuesday booster. It's earned $15 in Walgreens cash rewards when you make a $35 or more purchase in the Walgreens. And then it gets even better because it seems like Walgreens has extended our Monday booster, and our grocery booster is still working. So it's earned $10 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $20 on groceries, snacks, and beverages. So we're going to have to do this deal as a pickup order, and it's going to be very similar to some of the deals that we did yesterday. So I'm going to show you all what I put in my cart, but again, make sure that you check out yesterday's video because I have included more deals in yesterday's video as far as grocery items go. So for my pickup order, I decided to go ahead and pick up 4 more of the Pringles. They're on sale, buy one, get one free. So you're paying $3.49 for 2. I also threw in 2 more of the Oscar Mayer hot dogs. Those are also buy one, get one free. So you're paying $4 for 2. I also threw in 2 of the Skippy peanut butters. They're on sale 2 for $6. And we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon. Then I also threw in 2 bags of the Lay's potato chips. They're on sale 2 for $6. And then I also picked up 4 more cases of the Nice brand water. They're on sale 2 for $7. Now, keep in mind that you guys can mix and match however you would like. Go ahead and pick up the items that you need for your household. But the goal is to get your subtotal at $35 or more. That way, all 3 of those digital boosters will stack. So here's a look at my subtotal. It was $36.98. The 1-off-1 manufacturer coupon for the Skippy peanut butter did apply. So that is going to put my subtotal at $35.98 plus tax. However, with all 3 of those digital boosters stacking, I am getting back a total of $34.36 in Walgreens cash rewards. So that makes my final price $1.62 for 14 items, making each one just 11 cents each. Now, unfortunately, with this deal, it cannot be done in store because of the way that they have worded the digital boosters. So we do have to do this as a pickup order, which means that we cannot use register rewards to lower our out-of-pocket. So you do have to spend the $35 out of pocket, but like I said, you are getting almost 100% of your money back in Walgreens cash rewards. And for me, like I said, I'm completely fine with that because, hey, I can spend that Walgreens cash just as easily as I can my real cash, all right? So anytime we need paper towels or trash bags, I know that I can run into Walgreens, use my Walgreens cash, and not pay anything out of pocket for those items. All right, now to wrap this video up, I'm going to leave you all with a few more deals that you might want to be on the lookout for. So first up, we have these TGI Fridays frozen meals. They are on clearance right now. They're all about 50% off. And don't forget to check your Ibotta account because right now we do have rebates on the TGI Fridays frozen meals. I believe it's a 75-cent rebate. So make sure that you check your Ibotta accounts and clip that before you go into the store. Now we also have these little banquet meals. I found the spaghetti and meatballs. These were just 79 cents. So super, super great. And also don't forget to check out your automotive section as well. I found these Peak motor oils on clearance for $1.79 a quart and $1.49 a quart. And of course, y'all make sure that you stick around, stay tuned, and turn on your notifications because tomorrow we are going to have even more crazy deals at Walgreens. We just received this new bonus digital booster, so make sure that y'all have it clipped to your account. So this one is for earn $15 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $30. We are also going to have a deal where it's 25% off of a $20 purchase with the code WAG25 or 30% 25% off of a $60 purchase with the code WAG30. And of course, don't forget we have that everyday booster where we're getting back 25% in Walgreens cash rewards on all purchases. So, like I said, y'all stick around, stay tuned, and turn on those notifications because you know your girl is working on some more crazy, amazing deals for us. So before you go, make sure you do all the things, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.